Quick and dirty video. Got an avalanche here. Super noisy, power steering. Funny enough, that avalanche had the same problem. Same remedy fixed it. I got a pump. I got an old jug. I pumped out as much fluid as I could. I had brand new fresh fluid to it. I turned the truck on, put the cap back on, and I cycled the steering wheel all the way to full lock, left to right, multiple times. Ran it for about 3 minutes doing that. Shut it off, pumped it out again, came out pretty much the same. Real black, real dark, a little bit clear. Third time coming out, I mean, it's a lot better than it was. And oh my God, the first go around, the noise completely went away. The steering feels much better, much easier, much smoother. Before it kind of felt like a little bindy in places, and it did have a bunch of little black chunks and stuff. And man, you talk about some nasty looking fluid. 240,000 miles. Motor's been changed. I'm guessing they just didn't change the accessories or just left the fluid in there. Just but yeah, helped it out tremendously. This will work for any vehicle. $8 pump from Walmart, a little hand pump, and this end sucks it up. Put your other end in the jug, and I mean, eesh, this stuff looks terrible. What I do, get you about 3 or 4 of these. Do this 3 or 4 times, fill it up, drive it, and you're done. I mean, once the noise has gone away and the fluid's pretty clean, you don't need to keep going. I mean, you're only going to get so good. So 3 times and we're done. It's done and I'm done.